rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our vlog. Welcome and subscribe, share everything. If you see bad anything, comment for us. And today I have bring someone that is from Ethiopia. I want to ask him something and let's go now. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Ethiopia and I am called Nabon Ahmed.
Okay. How many years are you?
10. I mean 11.
You are 11 years old. Okay. After you come Kenya from Ethiopia, how many years did you stay here?
It's about to be 3 years.
Yeah. Okay. And now we are in 2023. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I wanna ask you some question that you have seen Kenya or Ethiopia. In Kenya, the place that you like so much for living, for everything that is good, is which place?
Next to Nairobi.
Okay, which place do you like inside in Nairobi city?
I like Turiba.
It's good place, yeah? You can play. Do you wanna live there or you just want to live in Pangani?
I kind of want to live in Pangani. I can play with a lot of people.
Okay, that means you don't wanna go to Turiba. Turiba has a good place. Why do you don't want to go there?
Waste of money.
Nice. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our vlog.
كنا جايين نباطة.
But don't forget to share, subscribe, like. If you see bad anything, comment. Okay.